Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make your laptop feel like new again, just like when you first bought it, completely clean and fresh. The process is very simple. First, go to Settings, then navigate to System, and after that, click on Recovery. In the Recovery section, look for the option called Reset this PC and click on Reset. You will see two options here. Keep my files. This option removes all installed apps and resets system settings, but keeps your personal files such as photos, documents, and other data. Remove everything. This option deletes all files, apps, and settings, giving you a completely fresh start. After selecting your preferred option, you'll be asked to choose between cloud download and local reinstall. I recommend using local reinstall since it's faster and doesn't require downloading Windows again. Click Next, and you'll see a summary of what will happen. Your system settings will be restored to default, Windows will be reinstalled, and depending on your choice, your files may be kept or removed. Once you're ready, click Reset, and wait for the process to complete. That's it, your laptop will be restored and running like new again.